Good morning all of you. Good morning beta. Shubhasri, Shubho Sakal. Okay. Good morning beta. Let's start now. You know very well previous class, in my offline class, I have started a new chapter. Chapter number 7. Chapter number 7. Go with logo. I hope you watch my video. Have you watched this or not? Have you watched or not? Please reply me quickly. Have you watched this video or not? Okay, very good. Shubhasri, Shauri. Very good beta. And then you can tell me that what is the full form of logo. Upayon, you don't. You have to watch beta when we give the classes in YouTube. Please follow the class regularly so that you can understood, and if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. Okay. Okay, now logo. What is the full form of logo? Can you tell me? The full form of logo is language oriented and language oriented, graphic oriented. Language oriented, graphic oriented. And logo, what is logo? Logo is a computer language. What is logo? Logo is a computer language. Okay. And just once I will repeat the gist of this logic oriented, graphic oriented. This is also correct. I already discussed this one. The logic oriented and graphic oriented. Here is in your book is written language oriented and graphic oriented. This one also correct. Okay. Now today once more I will just repeat this one. The logo, why we use the logo? Logo is used to draw some basic shapes. Why we use the logo? Logo is used to draw some basic shapes and do the calculation. We can solve sums, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using the logo command, and we can print the text in logo, and we can print the text in logo also. Okay. So logo is used to draw some basic shapes and do the calculations and print the text, and this is the logo. This is the logo screen and the window of logo. Okay. And here logo screen is divided into two parts. Logo screen is divided into two parts. This is the main screen and this one is called the commander window. Okay. Okay, very good all of you. And the logo screen is divided into two parts. One is the main screen. This portion is called the main screen and this one is the commander window. Okay. In the main screen we can see a triangular shape. This one is called turtle. In the center of the screen we can see the turtle. When we open the logo, this is the logo window, and we can see in the main screen, middle of the screen, we can see the turtle. This is the home position of the turtle. When you open, always you can see the turtle, the center of the screen. Center of the screen means main screen, not only the full screen. This is the main screen. Main screen we can see the turtle, and this is the head of the turtle and this is the tail of the turtle. This is head and tail, and this portion is called commander window. This is called commander window. Okay. And this is called the commander window, and commander window is divided into two parts again. Commander window is divided into two parts. Okay. This is the recall list box and this is called the command input box. This is called the command input box and this is called the recall list box. Okay. And now, and when we write the command, we have to write in the command input box. Okay, and after writing the command, we have to press the enter key. When we press the enter key, the turtle will, that means we are given the instruction to the turtle and in which direction the turtle will move. And then on that, when we press the enter key, or there is a button execute. This button we can press also. You can press the enter key after writing the command, or you can click the execute button. Function are same. Okay, on that respect the turtle will move. Okay, and when we press the enter key writing the command, you, after pressing the enter key, you can see the command in the recalled list box. Okay, and this portion, at a time we can write only one command. At a time we can write only one command, and at a time only one command can function. Okay, and now previous class already discussed, I just repeat once also. Now today we will start from page number 98. Let's check. So you all please take out your book and write down, fill in this blanks. Okay, complete the table by giving the difference between commander window and the main screen. You all please, let's check part, please solve. Left side commander window and the right side main screen. Commander window and main screen. One, 2 and 3. I will write only the blank portion, which one you have to write. Okay. Number 1, commander window, dash is provided in this window, logo is provided in this window. Commander window we can see in logo. So write down here logo, L-O-G-O. Logo is provided in this window, and the right side in the main screen, dash is displayed in this window. Turtle, main screen we can see the turtle. You all please write down turtle. Excuse me, turtle. And the next number 2, dash area of the screen. Commander window is the smaller area of the screen. Commander window is the smaller area. Okay, S-M-A-L-L-E-R. Commander window, in this side you just write down smaller area, and right side in the main screen, main area of the screen. Main area of the screen. And the third number, splits in dash part. Commander window is splits in 2 parts. Commander window splits in 2 parts. Commander window splits in 2 parts. But the main screen only one. Main screen only one part of the window. Main screen only one part of the window. Done everyone? Have you completed this one or not? Quick reply me. Okay, very good. Snehanjana, Swagatam, Shauri, very good beta. Okay, now okay, very good. Now primitive. What is called primitive? Logo commands is called primitive. What is called primitive? The inputs or logo commands given to the turtle is called primitive. You all please underline. The input or logo commands, the input or logo commands given to turtle are called primitives. Okay, the primitives given to turtle are to be written in the command input box. The primitives given to the turtle are to be written in the command input box. When you write the command, what have I told? That write the command in the command input box. When we write the command, always you have to type the command in the command input box. This is the logo screen. This portion is the main screen and this is the commander window, and the commander window divided into two parts, and this one is the input command input box and the recall list box. Here is the two button, execute and idle. Okay, and now whatever command you will write, always you have to write in the command input box. The turtle obeys the primitive when we press the enter key. Suppose you have write a command and still you are not pressing the enter key or the execute button. You can press the enter key after writing the command, after writing the primitive. You can press the enter key or you can click the execute button also. Function are same. Still you are not pressing the enter key or the execute button, the turtle cannot move. When we press the enter key, we can see the command in the recall list box. Now this command input box will be blank. That means the cursor will wait for the next command. Okay, suppose you have written over here fd 50 and then you have to press the enter key, and always we can see, open the logo, we can see the turtle, the center of the screen. When we press the write the command and primitives and press the enter key, and you can see the turtle will move by using the line, the turtle will move the 50 unit forward. Okay, when we write the command or primitive, fd it's a command or primitive, you can say the primitive also or command. Fd, its a full form is forward. Fd full form is forward. In the short form fd, in the full form is forward. That means the turtle, we are instructing the turtle to move in the forward direction. In which direction the turtle will move on that direction. Okay, now that direction the turtle will move. The turtle obeys the primitive when we press the enter key, and while typing the primitive, when we write the primitive, always you follow that. Always you have to remember these things. fd, this is the command or primitive, and then give a blank, give a space between primitive and unit but numbers. And 50 it's a unit. And the forward direction, I am given the fd, forward direction I told to turtle to move the forward direction, but how many steps it will move? We have to give the number. If we don't give the number, that message will show I don't know what is fd. That means you have to give the number, unit, how many steps have to move the turtle. Okay, and always give a blank space between unit and primitive. Clear everyone? And if you write in this manner fd 50 together, no gap, then computer will show a message to you, I don't know fd 50. I don't know fd 50. So that mistake, you have to give a space between primitive and numbers. Okay, we can type the primitives in capital letter and small letter. When we write a short form, always we will not write a full form forward. Better we apply short form FD. FD means the forward. Yes, and always you try to write in capital letter. The command always try to write in capital letter. It will be better. Okay. And now entering commands in logo. How to entering commands in logo? Type a command in the command input box and press the enter key. The command goes into the computer's memory and gets executed. When you press the enter key, it will go to the computer memory and gets execute. The commands are as follows. Okay, now home. Home is a command. Home, H-O-M-E. Home, it is a command. Okay, what is the function of the home command? Home command we used to wherever the turtle is there. If you apply after the FD50, if you write H-O-M-E, home, and then press the enter key. No need any unit beside the home command, because home means wherever the turtle is there on the screen, the turtle will come in the home position. Which is the home position of the turtle? Center of the main screen. Center of the screen, this is the home position of the turtle. Home, if you write the home and enter, wherever the turtle, it will come in the center of the screen. Okay. When we type primitive one after another, I already home, it is the place where the turtle resides. When you open logo, the turtle appears in the center. I already told, when you open the logo, always we can see the turtle, the center of the screen. Hey, what happened, Shubhasri? You just leave the class and join again. Maybe your problem, beta. And which is its home position? In the place from where the turtle starts moving around the screen. To move it back, center of the screen, home primitive is used. Wherever the right BS, what is beta? And now this primitive is not followed by any number. After the home, no need to give any number. Okay. And now forward, I already discussed. BS, what is FD means? FD is a forward. Okay. FD, this primitive is used. FD, this primitive is used to move the turtle to the forward direction. Okay. Forward by given the number of steps. The short form of forward is FD. Okay. The type following command is command input box. When we type the command, always we have to type the command in the command input box. When we press the enter key, then and then you can see the command is in command. This is that command we can see in recall list box, and this portion will be blank. Okay, and when we press the enter key, we can see the turtle will move the 50 unit in forward direction. Okay, and now the cursor will blink for the next command. You all will try to draw a square in logo and all the unit 50. Okay, and now if you apply FD50 again, the turtle will move in forward. But if you want to draw a square, we have to page number 99. We have to move RT. Now RT means right. Next class I will discuss back command, RT command. Okay. RT, if you apply RT and then 90, RT means right. Right, 90 unit triangle, 90 unit. So the turtle will move right turn in 90. Okay. Now if you apply the enter key, and then you can see RT in 90 here, and this one blank for the next command. If you want to draw a square, you have to write a program in sequence. Then you have to draw FD50. Okay, you who have computer in your home, share your parents to install logo so that you can practice. This is a very interesting language. Using the logo, you can draw basic shapes and many other letters also you can write, and you can do the calculation also, you can print also. For today this much. See you next class beta. Who have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me, or who are present please just write down P so that I can take